Remember when Adobe bought Figma? And I said that knowing Adobe, it's gonna be pretty plausible that they're gonna now analyze all your work without your permission using AI to basically create a replacement for all designers. Well, that seems to be happening because first of all, Figma is investing in AI tools and AI companies, but then at the same time, Adobe showed something like this. That shows that they want to analyze what you do in the tools to supposedly improve them, but in reality, they don't really need to look at your work to improve the tool. They might look how you use the menus and, follow the mouse cursor, but not really analyze the actual content. That's kind of looking a little bit too deep under the covers, and I think it's infringing the privacy. What's funny is that you can turn it off, at least for now, but they reserve themselves a right to still do it in the background even if the feature is off. As they all say, when something's free, you're the product. And I'm really happy that I'm not using Figma or any Adobe products for any real, actual work. A future where Adobe has a monopoly, it's really, really scary. And it's already partially there. I wasn't a fan of Figma before because of their pretty bad privacy policy and tracking you in the background, even in the tabs that are not related to what you're designing. But now they're adding AI to the mix and basically taking your work and learning from it to potentially replace you. I don't think that's fair, and I don't think this is how things are supposed to be working. But of course they need to make money, and they're gonna make a lot of money replacing designers. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and despite what happened, have a beautiful day.